Hello, in this video I show you how to replace the air filter on BMW 530D E60 model. The air filter is located on top of the engine. It's just over there. I removed already the cabin filter and cabin filter housing, which are in the way to get to the last two bolts of the air filter box. This is where the air filter housing is, and also there is a plastic cover underneath the air filter that we have to remove to get to the last bolts. After they are already removed, now we start removing the bolts for the air filter. This is where the plastic cover is that has to be removed to get to the last two bolts. To make it easier to take out the air filter housing, we need to remove this bolt on this metal plate and lift it up a little bit so that we can get more space. And that's it. Now we can take out the air filter. If the video is useful, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and maybe give the video a thumbs up.